Driving in winter is dangerous. There are more accidents and vehicles often leave drivers stranded. Now the Alberta Motor Association is warning about predatory towers. Those uninvited towers takes advantage of those drivers and leaves them with huge fees.
For an increasing number of Albertans, it's made even worse by unscrupulous tow operators who prey on drivers when they are at their most vulnerable.
Know Before the Tow is the new campaign by the Motor Association, providing 5 main towing rights drivers have. Some of those rights are the right to refuse unsolicited towing, choosing your towing provider unless otherwise directed by police, right to access your vehicle to retrieve personal items, a right to ask if the company receives kickback for taking your vehicle, and the right to quote before taking the service.
To have somebody out there taking advantage of those Albertans and those people that are in a time of need or in a vulnerable state after moments after a collision is just very unfortunate.
And while this campaign helps Albertans to be aware of predatory towers, one towing company we spoke to says that the government should have more strict regulation to combat this.
These guys, there's no license. Anybody could come get a tow truck and get on the road tomorrow morning with no kind of proper coverage and start doing what they're doing right now and ruin the market for everybody.
Action Towing says the predatory towers tend to have access to emergency service scanners, waiting for distress calls from drivers. And while Action Towing service can vary from $600 to $1,000, including towing and storage if it's collision, the predatory ones charge the driver an averaging $6,000.
For working class people, their car is their biggest investment after their house, right? And now they're panicked and they take advantage of that panic situation because they could solicit you like they're your best friend, and as soon as that car is on their hook, you're nobody to them. They don't care.
The Alberta Motor Association says that if you are not sure or familiar with a towing company, a quick Google search and reviews can ensure the reputation of the tower. But if they put you in a high-pressure situation, a police call will help.
And make the police aware of some of these unethical practices so that can be followed up on.
In Edmonton, Leo Cruzat, City News.